Thanks for taking a look at this car with us, and remember, BuyAVette.net has the highest rating of any specialty dealer in the United States on Google, SureCritic, Cars.com, and other websites. Simply stated, we put our customers first with honest descriptions, disclosures, and quality vets at very competitive prices, just like this Corvette. This is a 2004 Chevrolet Corvette 1SB Coupe. Can you imagine? It has just 24,000 miles. It's a beautiful car. It's machined silver on the exterior, has that light gray interior, and a beautiful glass top. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 horsepower LS1 engine with automatic transmission. Now, factory features include the $1,200 1SB Preferred Equipment Group. Now, some of you may already know, but this includes the heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and auto headlights. Boy, the polished wheels on this car look great. It has a Bose cassette stereo, dual power sports seat, dual zone electronic climate control, power windows, power locks. Well, everything on this car is power. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. This car comes with a clean Carfax, and it is loaded with options. And again, we said, it's amazing that this 2004 Corvette shows just 24,037 miles, and it is in good condition. The car's paint is very good. It has a great shine. The glass top is in very good condition, and those factory polish wheels are looking excellent. So this is a beautiful car. Now, the interior of this 2004 Corvette shows very good factory leather seats, good to excellent steering wheel and door panels, and a very good center console. The only additions to this car appear to be a polished exhaust filler plate with C5 logo and a red LS1 sticker for the throttle body. So, if you'd like to see this car or any one of the 120 Corvettes we have in stock, give one of our sales representatives a call here at 770-414-5552. And also, we'll remind you, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and when you do, hit the notification button, and you'll be the first to see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. We hope to hear from you real soon. We're BuyAVette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.